Phoenix 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Corner of 7th and Lincoln.
7th Avenue or 7th Street?
7th Street. A guy just wrecked really bad.
Okay, and is anybody injured?
I don't know. He's moving.
Okay.
He looks pretty.
And what's the color and make of the vehicles involved?
The white Ford Focus. He hit a brick wall going pretty good. You should probably hurry. So I just wanted to call back because the guy kind of took off, and he might be hurt fairly good. He's pretty drunk.
Vehicle?
No, the vehicle's completely totaled. He took off on foot.
Okay.
He tried to give me the keys, but then when I didn't take them, he just threw them on the ground.
Okay. What was the description of that guy?
He's probably like late 30s, maybe 5'10", like 5'8", Hispanic. I gave him some water, and then he got pretty hostile, so I told him to just keep it, and I kind of just started walking the other way.
It's 7th Street in Lincoln. I just called about the guy that ran through the light there at 7th Street and crashed into the pole. I'm not sure if nobody came, but, man, he got out the car and walked away, and now I've got a crew of guys over here, and there's gunshots behind our shop.
Hey! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey! 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 Hey!
Get on the fucking ground!
Hey! Hey! Get on the ground!
Ground!
Get on the ground! Hey, we'll figure it out!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the fucking ground!
Hey, bring it down, bring it down. Hey, we just gotta figure this out, alright? All we got is a trespassing right now. Okay? We don't got a 40 or anything, do we? Hey!
Hey!
Just get on the ground, we'll figure this out. Who's gotta, someone get on the intercom. Hey, let him tire himself out, okay?
Hey, get on the, Lieutenant, get on the intercom. Hey, get on the intercom, you're gonna be my lethal.
Hey.
Roma, you be my lethal, get on the intercom.
Yeah, I'm lethal too. I'm lethal too. Let him just yell, let him calm down.
Get on the intercom.
Just keep him. Hey, just calm him down. On the ground. Hey, get up. Hey, calm. We want it. Hey, calm. Just calm. We want to calm them down. Okay? Just calm them down. Tell them it's an accident. It's no big deal. All it is an accident. It's not a big deal.
It's an accident. We're investigating a car accident. That's it. We're just trying to figure out what's going on with you.
Yeah, tell them no big deal.
Please just relax, man. We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
Here, we gotta.
Sir.
Are we gonna push forward, bud?
Yeah, because.
Just come this way. We're trying to figure out what's going on, man.
Yeah, we gotta close it up. We gotta move up toward it. We're gonna move up. So we're just gonna. Hey, just get on the ground, dude. Just get on the ground.
Hey, we're moving up.
Okay, watch his hands. Just watch his hands.
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody's on?
Everybody's on.
Okay. Hey, we got to figure this out, all right? Just get on the ground, dude. We're not going away. Get on the ground, dude. It's easy. It's easy. You made a mistake. You made a mistake. Drop it.
Drop it! Drop it!
Yeah, get him.
Drop it!
Hey,
Drop it! Drop it! Get on the fucking ground!
was that 998, guys?
Yeah. Get on the ground!
We have a 998. Subject is down. Officers are code 4. We need fire to stage.
Are we pulling up, boss?
Yeah, we're moving forward.
Check your hands on your pocket!
What is that? What is
that? Firearm! Firearm!
No. It's a gun.
Firearm! Drop the gun! Drop it! Get on the fucking ground!
515 George 998.
Dude, it's easy. It's easy. You made a mistake.
Check your hands on your pocket!
What is that? What is
that? Firearm! Firearm!
Drop it! It's a gun.
Firearm! Drop the gun!
Yeah, get him.
Drop it!
Hey,
Drop it! Drop it! Get on the fucking ground!